From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of being late because you can't see the time outside? Ivation Oversized 48-inch outdoor waterproof clock is here to change that. This supersized timekeeper is a total game changer, with jumbo 8.5-inch digits and 5 brightness levels for maximum visibility. You'll never miss the time again. The vibrant LED display is easily adjustable using the included remote control, so you can customize it to your liking. With auto time sync, you'll never have to manually reset the clock again. The built-in GPS time sync technology automatically updates the time to your local time zone, ensuring accurate timekeeping wherever it's installed. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The features are endless. You can set a countdown or count-up timer for sports, games, or workouts, and the large bright LED digits ensure clear visibility in both outdoor and indoor spaces. The clock also features alarms, temperature, and date, so you can stay informed and on track. Imagine being able to set up to 8 convenient daily reminder alarms, and view the current temperature and today's date, all in one place. This clock is perfect for outdoor use, and the waterproof design gives you peace of mind, no matter the weather. Whether you're using it for your morning jog, or just to keep track of time in your backyard, this clock is the perfect addition. It's convenient, easy to use, and provides accurate timekeeping, so why not give it a try? You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.